Many of the world's successful manufacturers grow their business by making increasingly complex parts faster and more accurate than their competitors. To help achieve this, they invest in more modern, capable machine tools. High-speed, multi-axis machine tools capable of milling and turning are able to cut complex parts in only 1 or 2 setups, dramatically improving productivity. However, the full potential of these machine tools cannot be realized without equally capable advanced CAM software. This is why many manufacturers rely on Autodesk PowerMill. PowerMill has the flexibility to work on solid, surface, wireframe and STL meshes, and these can be imported from any CAD software. PowerMill contains a comprehensive selection of 5-axis toolpath strategies, each able to drive a wide variety of tools, including specialized cutters such as lollipop and barrel tools. With PowerMill, your part is machined how you want to machine it, rather than how your CAM software wants to machine it. PowerMill excels at toolpath optimization, and they can be trimmed or reordered to precisely meet your needs. In order to achieve excellent surface finish, PowerMill allows you to modify the entry and exit moves, the cut direction, and many other machining attributes, all without costly and time-consuming recalculation. Creating your own toolpath templates and macros allows you to fully automate time-consuming repetitive tasks. Programming time is reduced further as PowerMill takes great advantage of today's 64-bit multi-core PCs. Do you struggle to manufacture large or complex parts? Do you want to improve the efficiency of your 5-axis machine tool? Are you under pressure to improve the surface quality or accuracy of your parts? If you answer yes to any of these questions, then PowerMill has a solution to your problem.